So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house. Contact Cecilia, Cecilia, Cecilia. Contact Madam Cecilia, 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 Cecilia.
I must tell you, this house is stunning. This house is beyond beautiful. It comes with a cinema, a private cinema, a swimming pool for you and your loved ones, a gym area as well. This house is everything that has to do with condition. The house is spacious, the rooms are beautiful. We have two spacious living room, one upstairs, one downstairs, and we have two kitchen, the major kitchen, and we have a mini kitchen upstairs for your convenience. Can we just tour this house, this beautiful 5-bedroom fully detached duplex? Let's see the swimming pool, then I'll take you to the other room. And this space, it can take up to 1, 2, 3, 4. It can take up to 4 or 5 cars, give or take 5 cars. Okay, let's quickly tour this house. We'll start from the compound. We'll do a 360 on the compound and see the boys' quarter, the security house, then come back to the living room. So this house offers a lifestyle of luxury and sophistication. Dive into the ultimate relaxation with a private pool. This is your pool. Is the pool not lovely? It's spacious, it's deep, and there's a lock at the entrance of this pool for safety. Yes, there is. Enjoy movie nights in your own cinema. There's this private cinema for you. So this is the gym house to keep you fit. Stay fit with a dedicated gym house. That is what this house is actually telling you. Yes, you can bring in your working equipment to fully exercise your body. You don't have to go out. This is complete luxury. So this is the entire compound. We are just seeing the move. We are just going to be moving around to see it. This is the mid-room. Houses normally are actually they are expensive, but they are worth it. And houses like this, when you see houses that has all the equipment that you need, that you require, this is a maid toilets and bathroom. Like I was saying, that meets all the need, all the requirements, then is a good one. Like this one that has everything you'll be needing for a house, it has it. So this is, let's just walk down to the security house. So this is the water area, the pumping machine box area. This road will take us to the security house, down to the gates. Then from the gates we'll be going to the sitting room. You see, the house is big. You see the movement, the compound of the house. It shows that this house is actually sitting on a very good square meters of land. And don't forget, this house is nestled in a serene neighborhood. Very serene, very top-notch neighborhood. This home boasts an array of good amenities that I must tell you, that blend comfort and style effortlessly. That's the word, effortlessly. This is the security house. As you can see, everything about this house is clean, from the maid room to the security house to the main house. Yes, and this takes us to the grand entrance of the house. Look at the compound, look at the area, look at the environment. See the finishing of this house. See the finishing of this house is worth the price. And I welcome you to an expansive living space, which includes 2 impressive sitting rooms. One is upstairs, one is downstairs. So this is your ante room, very spacious. The ante room is spacious and it comes with a visitor's toilet. Yeah. And this anteroom is more like you can have a mini sitting room here as well. See the sitting room. I can say this sitting room is actually for relaxation and entertainment. This is where the family they bond together with so much love and laughter. This sitting room is for your relaxation, entertainment, bonding, very spacious. This is a sitting room you welcome your guests and they tell you you've done well. Your house is beautiful. When you now get a good interior designer to finish the work of the sitting room for you. And the sitting room has a very good ventilation, and there's another sitting room upstairs. So you see that, see the walls, see the screening, the finishing, everything about this sitting room is beautiful. And like I always say, this is a masterpiece. There's enough ventilation for you. You are seeing a house that gives you completion that is more than 100% perfect, because you have everything in this house to keep you in this house, whether you're working outside or you work from home. And this house comes with two expansive sitting rooms, one downstairs, one upstairs. So there's room for everyone to unwind and entertain themselves. Now, this large kitchen, it's a chef's dream. It is offering you endless possibility for hosting and culinary exploration. The large kitchen to the grand living space exudes elegance and comfort. Ready to enjoy your cooking skills, ready to make that cooking a beautiful experience, bringing out that hot, sweet jollof rice, Ghana jollof rice or Nigerian jollof rice. This kitchen is the best place to have that delicious meal, to make that delicious meal rather. The kitchen is big, very spacious. It is a chef's dream. I tell you, once you enter this kitchen, you automatically become a chef. This is the kind of kitchen your chef would be so happy to make that delicious food for you. So, from the island to the cabinetry to the space to the pantry, everything about this kitchen is perfect with the double sink. And the kitchen is beautiful. This is the space. You can see it already. I'm trying to use the best words for this kitchen. So pardon me if I'm admiring the kitchen and I'm not saying what I'm supposed to say. You can help me out with it. So it comes with your extractor, gas burner, and the rest. So let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Walk with me, walk with me. Let's run down the sweet, fine that staircase that illuminates your walk to your own bedroom. This is what they call beautiful, classy. Now, this is one of the balcony. And this balcony, you'll be seeing the swimming pool, the gym. You just, can I take a swim? Yes, I want to go take a swim. Can I go have some fitness exercise? Yes, I sure want to go have some fitness exercise. So this is your living room. So this is another room for you. And truthfully, every detail of this duplex has been designed to enhance your lifestyle and create unforgettable memories. See another sitting room for you upstairs. See the lighting, the finishing, everything about this house is perfecto. Yes, because whether you want to host friends in these impressive spaces or enjoying quiet moments or enjoying alone time in your personal sanctuary, this home is not just a place to live. It's a destination, baby. It's a destination, mama. It's a destination, papa. A destination in itself. Upstairs, the 5 spacious bedrooms are retreats in themselves. A retreat in themselves. Each featuring ample light and built-in storage, promising restful nights and a sense of privacy. You have your own privacy to yourself, mama, papa, baby. For leisure and lifestyle, this home raises the bar. It has raised the bar and is selling for 550 million naira. It could be slightly negotiable, but the house is perfect and the price is perfect in Omole Phase1. Omole Phase1 in a very nice and calm environment, nestled in a good neighborhood. Trust me, the neighborhood is everything. This home, like I said, raises the bar. Enjoy your private cinema. For exclusive movie nights, a well-equipped gym house. We are not able to see it because that place was locked. This is one of the rooms, the bathrooms, the wardrobe, the finishing, everything is perfecto. Perfecto. It is, the house is nice, the house is lovely. The house is everything beautiful. Yes, it is. I'm sure some developers would want to sell this house for 600, 700, but I'm bringing this house to you for 550 million naira. You know what it means? Please, I need a round of applause because this house, the price is worth it. You have everything here, and I'll be showing you another one that is the same price. It has everything in it too. So just stay with me. After this video, I'll be putting another one so you can just make your choice. So this is one of the rooms. I think this is, this house, it has a secondary kitchen. If you don't want to go downstairs, you just want to quickly do one of your favorite recipe, you can just do it up there. A very simple quickie recipe, you can do it up there. So this is your balcony. Like, I'm just talking, I'm not even saying anything about this house because the house is beautiful. You can see for yourself. You can see for yourself. See the finishing. See, this house is nice. So this is supposed to be the cinema, but it's locked. So please forgive us. The person that was supposed to bring the key didn't bring the key. You would have seen it, but when you want to come for inspection, you will see it. You will see this house. You will see the cinema. See how they did the wardrobe. They did a cupboard, a space to fix in your, maybe you want to fix in your cream, you want to fix in something like a flower. You know, you just see how they did this house. This house is spectacular. The house is beautiful. When you want to buy this, when you come and say, I want to buy that beautiful house, see the space in the suites, very spacious, like you can swing your leg. See the bathroom. Isn't she lovely? This house is fine. You should be calling me if you want to live the lifestyle. This is a dream house, baby. This is the dream. This is the house. This is the living. This is what they call luxury living. Luxury living. This is one of the rooms. So we'll just be gisting while you are touring the house with me, because this house tour is one of the best I've enjoyed so far, because the house is good, the price is good. The price of this house is good because it has everything. It has everything, man. One of the bathrooms. Yeah. So we have 2 master bedroom here. I don't know if I've shown you one, but of course we're touring the house together. So let's go to the last floor with the illuminating staircase. The light is bright. The light is saying your future is going to be bright. So let's see our master bedroom. Master bedroom is nice. I'm just happy viewing this house, touring this house. You know, this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex is nice. So this is, we have a good house for you. You know, if you want to buy a house on the mainland, on the island, we will be the best. We should be the person you're calling. We'll be the best person to show you that house you want to buy. Yes, that the apartment you want to buy, we can give you that house. So you see how clean, classy, quality this master bedroom is. You should be calling me, before this house is gone. You should be calling me before this house is gone. Don't let this house slip out of your hands, because this house is everything. This is the kind of house you wake up from and you tell yourself you've done well for yourself. You've done well for your family. So the master bedroom is nice. It's very lovely, very nice. And the balcony, it has a very beautiful view. You know me with view. I love view. View is everything for me. View and quality of the house and the price. It's just, everything just has to match. Everything just has to be. Everything just has to, it has to match. It just has to match, because, yes, it has to. So, can we just see it? 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 So this is the secondary kitchen. It's just a mini kitchen for you, in case you want to quickly do sandwich. Maybe you can have a microwave there in case you just want to microwave something and eat. You want to make noodles, the lightweight breakfast, light food, you can do it there. This is a box room. Yes, I think maybe it's connected to the cinema too also. So this is a mini balcony for you. So this house has balcony, has about three balconies or so, 4 balconies for you and your family and your loved ones, just to have a nice view, nice time, see who is swimming. You want to see who is swimming, you just go there. So this is another room for you. Are you seeing this house? Are you seeing the floor? Are you seeing it? The house is beautiful. I wish you are buying this house. I wish this house is coming to you. I wish you're paying for this house. I wish I'm selling this house to you right now. The house is nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. My voice is, see the wardrobe. See the beauty of this house. Subscribe and call us. Let's bring you to this place. Any house you want, we are your best bets to take you to the house. Thank you for staying with us till this moment. This is another master bedroom bathroom. Is this not lovely? Is this not nice? Tell me it's lovely. Please tell me it's nice. Tell me you enjoyed the tour of this house, because I did. I enjoyed it. It's worth watching. It's worth viewing. It's worth inspecting. Give me a call.